Today's video, I'm actually on the National Highway here in Nido Palawan, and it's right off of Coron Beach. So I'm going to make my way down toward town a little bit and kind of explore, see what's back here. It's always interesting to see what's going on in the I call it the backside. Look at that. Look at a mango tree over there. A lot of tricycles. And you know, to get from my hotel, which is over there at the Aura, it's only 100 pesos. These chickens. Maybe they're got to be a little bit careful though, and plenty of little sorry stores, man, all over the place. Motorbikes. You know, this video kind of focuses on, let's say, what goes on behind the beach scenes, you know, the tourist area. I like to do this, you know, kind of shows real life here besides all the tourist spots. Now yesterday I did a really cool island hopping tour, and that took the whole day, and it was a lot of fun. Started out at 9 in the morning, and they got these tours broke down into A, B, C, and D. So I did the A one, and I was totally pleased with it. So that. One thing about walking back here also is kind of gives you more perspective on what else is out here. You know, back here on the highway, that's more like or less, you know, province life. And I've walked through quite a few provinces, and I like to do that because I think it's really neat. You know, to actually, you know, you see how folks live. Maybe like some kind of road work going on over here. I like how the trikes, they all have names, you know, like this one's called Iraqi. I can't read that one. Definitely a mode of travel, but very inexpensive way to travel, believe me. And you hear chickens everywhere. I think this is a high school. Oh, not yet. Thank you. I passed this coming a few times. El Nido High School. They got all these little stores out. Oh, look at these bananas. Really nice fresh fruit and veggies. This is called the Rogers store, so pretty nice. This is probably not the most exciting video, but you know, honestly, it kind of benefits some people. You know, they can see what's out here, especially right behind your hotel. And if this content does help you out, you know, please consider giving it a like. It really does help out my channel. I just like these billboards here. They are so nice. Painted. Might even have to get a panoramic of this one. I've passed it a lot, but it's really nice. I mean, just look at the landscape. I mean, right behind the city here, or the town. Look at that. I mean, where I went yesterday for that island hopping tour, going in the secret lagoon, the big lagoon, it's really something special. Now, up ahead is the El Nido public market, and those are always interesting to see, because it kind of gives you some good insight on, you know, what you can get fruit wise, veggie wise, and what the locals get. And that's one of the reasons why I like to pass through them, just for that reason. And also, I mean, you can get you know, some really healthy food there, believe it or not, without going to the, you know, the 7-Elevens or all these other little stores. You get it right here. Now, this is my first Jeep I've seen here. Usually you see a ton of those over in Alangapo or Salamat. Hello. Manila, but rarely have I seen any out here. So that's my first one. How about that? Those are really nice. I always like Jeeps, just the way they're configured. Now, let's see. We'll check this area out here. Seems to be kind of a bustling place. This is called, oh, these are like a big commercial center. Why don't we go check this out? This must be the main area. But let's go inside and see what here. I think it's kind of a combination of, you know, both locals that shop here, and obviously they have a lot of you know, tourist stuff, t-shirts. But you know, just look at this, and probably you get a better bargain here for mangoes. Like, looks like they have the prices already marked, so that's a good thing. So if you want something, you know, like I say, if you're staying here long term, this is probably a good place to go. Look at these coconuts. Oh, let's see. I'll walk around the other side. What if they have the banana Q around here? I love those. I've not seen one though. Is that mango? 70 a kilo, huh? That's not bad. How are you? Pretty good? Oh, okay. Yeah, I see a lot of local folks here. I don't think I'll walk through there, but I like the fresh fruits. I think I got banana chips, maybe. You know, and I vlog just about everything, you know, beautiful places and just kind of down to earth places where folks shop. I mean, I really enjoy coming to markets. It's one of my favorite activities in whatever country I'm in. I don't hold back on that. Believe me. Tell me what you think about this market in the comments. I really appreciate it. And it really does help out my channel as far as like, you know, what it's like. I mean, look at the background. Maybe I'll walk in the other side, I think. Let's see, go on the inside. Kind of goes deeper and deeper. So interesting. Let's see, I'll go. Like independent folks bringing their crop here. Let's see. Kind of gives. So you got some shirts here. If you want, probably get a good bargain here compared to let's say going into the town of El Nido, around the tourist area. Let's see. Go inside this area here. This is this time of day it's really popular because it's early morning. People are shopping for whatever they need. Look how tight it is. What have they got? Oops, excuse me. Sorry. Look at this. Let's see what else they. See, you can see all the places to eat. Can't go wrong there. A lot of dogs, man. Nice place though. So it kind of gives you a quick overview of this. I'm going to make my way further down toward the town of El Nido, near El Nido Beach. Actually, that's my destination. But it's really enjoyable to see all the folks here. I really love it. So back out to the National Highway, and I was mentioning in my other video that there's a number of ways to get here, and one of them is this bus. This is the air-conditioned bus. They call them the Roros. Fairly inexpensive to travel. This one, it's called the Two Sisters. Oh, coming up to some really nice landscape right up here. I'm putting in about maybe 2 kilometers walk down this highway. Face the traffic. Don't put your back to it. If you go on those boat rides, definitely have a dry bag with you. You will, and they're very inexpensive. I actually picked mine up in Thailand, but they're all over the place, made by the same company, I believe. See that blue one hanging over there? I mean, the guys are just walking around selling that stuff. Questions I got, and one of the comments is, how is my Airello eSIM working? And for the most part, it works rather well. No problems over in Manila. Obviously, it worked very well there. You can use it for Grab, anything. That was one of the questions, and the best thing to do is get the WhatsApp. That way you've got a contact. They can contact you, because eSIM really doesn't have a number, I believe. I looked at, there's none. So I think it's the way to go. Now, when I went to Boracay, no problems, no issues there. One thing about Palawan, a little bit different, although most of the time I have good reception. And the only reason why you have bad reception is the mountain areas. It somewhat throws your signal off a little bit, but for the most part, like right now, it's not that bad. Now, when I did the private van tour coming out, there were some dead spots in my signal where it just kind of dropped off. And I think that would be like whatever e-card, you know, SIM that you're using probably has that same problem. You know, plenty of this is all tourist stuff, you know, all along here. I like this sign. I definitely got to get a video on this El Nido sign coming up. I just love this sign. Passed it a number of times. How colorful it is. Maybe if I can get a break in the traffic, I'll get a selfie in front of it. That's the end of this video. Kind of a quick tour down the National Highway coming from my resort. So it kind of gives you an idea of what's out there. Kind of went through a market a little bit, checked that out. I love going through those markets. And this is the, you know, probably the province side again of El Nido. And it's always good to see because this is what real life is back here. So if this content helps you out, please consider subscribing. It really does help out my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video. So see you from beautiful El Nido Palawan.